our similar opinion say aye. Will as many as are of a contrary opinion say nay. The ayes have it and the motion is passed.
We have also heard of people being employed, Honorable Speaker, 2 people in the same office. One is the substantive officer, the other one is the governor's officer, Honorable Speaker. And both are drawing salaries for the same position.
This manual payroll monster is also not an accident. It is also a design by the governor, or let's say governors, possibly in other counties, to use this as a conduit, Honorable Speaker, to launder monies from the public coffers.
So when those issues were raised by the Auditor General, and also the use of manual payroll in paying over 110 million to people who cannot be accounted for in Meru County, I felt it is the time that the county needs to put forward or to put in place policy measures to guide on the running of the or on the management of public service in Meru County.